Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a Likkle Everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are in Crownland, Wilson's Run, and we are here to go look for Ryan. So many of you have been asking for Ryan, so we finally get to come and see him. Please do remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel, so once we post a new video you will be updated.
We are big for that one there, you know.
Yes.
Like, share and subscribe. Especially the share part, not true?
Right.
Yes.
Right. Okay. All right, guys. So we're here and we're waiting on Ryan to come down. We don't see him yet, but we continue to hold on because he knows that we're coming. All right.
Yes, sir, Ryan. Black Rotten. Where Ryan there? You just tell us saying there? How are you say?
Him say him did it anti place where
He said they want dead yard. Where dead yard there?
oh
Stinger!
okay. We'll just have to wait some more in the sun.
Alright, we're going to pause until we get some information. Alright guys, we're taking a pause. So, he finally find me.
Oh.
Yeah.
We'll come and go and wait still, because we know so we are reach up here today. Yeah. Wagwan. All is well?
Yeah.
How can I work at the pan?
You know, I say my wife, my baby mother, auntie dead.
Oh.
I fear our house that out there, so,
Oh, the White House there? Okay, okay.
yeah, man, so up the way they are going, see what we can do.
Okay.
See if we can clean up the liquor spot. Clean up and clean up, come down. Although them say about 20 sitting next month. That tomorrow month. She a bury.
Okay.
Right already?
Yeah.
Okay.
I went. About last week.
So we are getting job for life.
Well, we have to go check the house.
You can't talk to we.
You mean?
Alright. If you talk to we all know we don't get back no
No, man, remember somebody check them, you know, man, and them no. And them never fully.
They're never fully ready. So if you not keep it.
Yeah, man, you ready? It's gone.
So things, Ryan.
Well, may I tell us so far. So far, you know, say life did it, too. Yeah, man, life did it, man, so.
Yeah.
Enough months now, we're not forward, you know?
I want a whole heap of years.
Decades.
Yeah, man.
A whole heap of years, but
A good one for true, man.
we still give thanks, you know.
Yes,
Yeah, we
yes.
can see one another again, no too.
Absolutely. How's Sandrine and the boys?
Yeah, them good, them proper.
Oh, them they here today?
No, one of them.
What's your name? Andre?
Ryan.
Ryan.
Ryan, the tall one.
Andre gone for him. Where them call the thing the name? Medical.
Oh, I'm going to medical today? Oh, okay, okay.
Gone a whole spring.
Oh.
Sandrine, bring him. Oh.
Yeah, man, I must be carry him, man.
And are you?
Yeah, I have to do a
I don't know if you go.
Yeah, man.
You know
Yeah, man. I don't know, they go take out the stitches them out of my hand and thing, you know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Yes.
they go man go take out the stitches them and the curl
Yeah.
type of way they. Oh,
Okay.
this is like one, you know. But
Yeah, man. So, Ryan, we carry one big gift for you today, you know.
yeah.
Forget help. You carry this and gift.
Yeah, I tell you. Yeah, man.
Help me to cut you. Alright. What do you think then? We carry some package to give some people, but you never really tell you. You can find a couple people who can hand them over to.
Yeah, man, couple of them up I grave then.
Oh, they're up there.
Yeah, man, couple of them up there.
Oh.
So they dig a grave already?
No.
Then just a clean
I
up?
clean up.
Oh.
A couple of them up there well. No.
Oh, okay.
And them well.
Alright.
See you
So, Ryan, who, let's see. Oh, son, no, so we out here. Ryan, these are yours, yeah? These are yours. Oh.
Respect, man.
From our anonymous donors.
Yeah, thank you
And
so
then-
very much, you know.
Yes, ma'am. You're welcome.
Yeah, man.
We have a big gift for you. Every son can help you carry it.
That's a few. So this barrel, yes, this barrel is from we're gonna call her YB from out of the USA.
So you just get that to catch your water for your roof.
Yes, so this whole barrel is yours, and we want to tell our thanks and
Yeah,
enough
no,
blessings
really
to her.
appreciate it, man. This is coming like a Christmas.
No, so now
I say that. It comes
So
like
now
a
go.
Christmas, I know what.
Check out.
Yeah, no. There's only a white man, them say me I call them. A couple of them say me I short them just 1 minute. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, no. Madam Michelle,
Oi,
it's been a while still. Brother Marcel, dash me well.
you know that's your man is still there.
that you come for that shit.
Oh, boy.
Son. What? You alright? Oh, you can look for a pass, your pass. Oh, okay.
Pass when we there. To a truck up our way. And you want big bag. Yes, conflict.
Man.
What?
Right, one guy.
Eat pork too?
No.
No, flying at that man. No flying in there. I did some bag of the clean, man.
No, bro, I don't feel that.
You don't have no teeth, you don't have no
Thanks, eh?
split tags, you don't make any. No, them in a different package.
Flour when them run out. Next time I get it.
Conflict, man. No flying in there. You don't believe me?
No, I have a good idea.
No flying in there.
Only the pan, you know.
You know, you don't need to know that.
You only do one money, man.
You soon get it, stand up there. So if you give food and give you money,
Your brother.
give me back your food and you take your money.
Your brother, me I look your brother from yesterday. I'm in Ghana market.
Pal,
Pal,
you want me to give you one bag to give him?
No, sir.
give me a look, sir. Insist.
Yeah, come down here. Alright, look for me, pa.
Come down here, man. Come, man. As if he was a jail.
Our Sandrine look like her. Showing ours, yeah. Sandrine, mommy. See her there?
Sandrine, mother.
Go on for Google for me to tell us today.
I want to know how to do. Oh.
Eh? No.
Just son, just boil it.
Just cook him and I eat it.
Put salt in the water and oh, you know if you cook it?
Man, I tell you, say no, you're not for you.
No.
Oh.
Cook him, man.
You know,
Oh boy.
good thing they come a shop. Good thing they come a shop.
So we
know I say
you're original, you're not a pottery. Yeah, man. Sit down now and can't watch it. I'm not called to you, not true? Yeah, man.
Ryan, who will wait for now?
Them did I wait pan to help me care of the boy.
Maybe they don't get the message.
Okay, you not get it.
So American care about it?
American care?
They're not rolling.
Well, I tank. Hey, can't carry, man.
Is it light, you know?
Yeah, man. Me alone can't carry.
Hold on. Marcel, you come.
Hold on, let me drop a seat.
Hey, man, get it, man.
Come on, I think I have to drop a seat.
All right.
Yeah, no. Think this an animals donor. So very, very much, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, thank he or she.
Yeah.
So very much, you know?
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Thank he or she so very much, man.
Thank her, yes.
Isn't her?
Oh, I am them over there, Ryan.
Yeah. Yeah, a couple more. Did I see him?
Oh.
A road you come from, not sure. We don't live on road, man.
Yeah, now we to bonify them, man. To bonify them, man.
Send message to him, man.
Them not left me out, you know?
Call me.
No, I'm not no phone. Son, we make me kill for before back here.
Not much. All is well.
Yeah, man.
Oh.
That's like with the eyes.
This a man that you wear, no? See me?
Yeah, man, that's right.
Sorry, man, that you wear.
That's right, man. That's up there, man.
I know about that talk about all the white man. That's the time. Yeah.
Yes, man. We're going to big them up and sing a friend them. I feel we friend them too.
I did befriend them.
I did befriend them. Especially Sonny. I did befriend.
I see white man, they just go buy one new water. This man, at first he wear it. At first he wear it, don't you? I see it, man. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, that wet up your foot bad. Yeah, man. Yes.
Time.
Glad to see you still.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Nice, man.
Time man, God man.
Okay.
Time man, God man. Time.
One day. Then I must have a yard, you know. I'm going to come here one day, you know.
Ian. Oh,
You understand?
pick up that bag over.
This is a Fiona still.
No.
Yes, man. You're welcome. Woo! Catch you just in time. Yeah.
Time man, God man.
Yes, man. You're welcome.
Time man, God man. At least somebody don't want to make you go up here there now. Man, you want to help me with it? Yeah, no, it's so heavy.
Happy with this?
Yeah.
Brian, you're my shit.
Yeah, man.
I want to put on my son.
Happy Sunday, the one.
Oh.
Yeah, can one?
No, build it.
Okay. Yeah.
You're not even, not you?
Yeah, like, yeah, man, go on, we're coming. Thing I want, can't you that, you know?
You want can carry it. All right, son.
You know, for eat off everything I road.
Oh, you go the other way? Okay.
I'm careful, but no for them, some of them no care up yet, you know.
Some of what?
You black them.
Yeah, tell you before we ask. Yeah, 100 left then.
Yeah?
About 100 left.
But 100 or 100 and a little bit.
When we come back down.
Hey, you make a slide to Bobby, you know what, man? Man, tahal, you know, man?
No, no yet.
Yeah, man.
All right.
Tahal, man. I got you alone, have you?
Morning.
Chang different, boy.
Tired. Long time I don't climb this hill. Wow. Tired, guys, tired. Whew.
Massa. Don't move, come on the roadside.
Oh God.
Where is it going, sir?
Richie did line out as a favor. I dig out the foundation. That's it. So a couple days.
Oh Lord. Oh.
What? They so dig out deep, you know, like castle, you know. Around this, so I dig same way. What?
Oh, so no. I'm not finished digging the foundation yet.
No, you know, so completed. What? Oh, one more, 2 more days upon the money we complete.
Alright, put there one day.
Today. Hey, yes, a deep, you know. But yes, a deep. So the grass go back there. Actually, the grass go back there still. But
For light them.
yeah, for to operation no. So you see it? You see it? That's a deep, man. Deep. But I don't know if we can bust up this stone, man.
Oh yeah, it looks like you can shut up.
You not put fire upon it, Ryan.
No, I don't want no fire. I can bust up here. That part there on this way hard, this part. On this way hard, this part.
You can't put down the support column. You can't put down the support column, you know. Put some short column down there. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
All the place you can pack stuff under there.
I think about the idea they need.
Take it, man. Take the idea. You make that information.
And the coffee, not you?
So when again in a plan to dig the foundation? When you're ready, Ryan.
You ready? Sit there in and close.
Yeah, ready, man. Ready.
Now we have a particular donor who has been asking about you and the progress you've been making.
Oh. Yeah.
Enough people want to come in, but they want to see something happen, you know?
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's another. Yes, man.
By no next week, man, we feel like we're done.
Yeah.
Plan on work there and call me, man.
Yeah.
His son, not you?
Sometimes when I'm not here, he say nothing if you say something to him.
Yeah, but that's true.
I say, wake up, man, you know, remember, say, have that video.
That's true. For even son, you know, a white man, know, a couple months now, Wells and Jean, they sick out for me. So, I may have to go out and come in back and wash, cook, and clean up, send the people them at school, city that them beard off and the liquor type of thing there, you know.
Okay, we understand.
Even one at a time, Sonny almost ball the water, man. He must say, yo, John, no, stinger. I don't know if I could have a man over it like you know.
You really said that on camera, man?
No. Oh.
Say man out the ball.
What as a friend to a friend, you know? Yeah, man, as a friend to a friend.
Oh, so you've been having a rough time as it relates to that, and that caused the delay with this. And you have to talk to we because we don't know, you know?
I know since the pitney them gone for summer holiday, I know me can take me little time now.
Yeah.
And see, and still me still have to see if me can get the thing back up again for September morning.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I just them there little issue.
September.
Yeah, so.
Okay, so can you not feel ready them for school and then something you get like more time now?
Yeah, me get like more time now. Me can. I saw they give me a little bit of spray man for burn out the place. Yeah. That's we can get for sitting there now.
For digging foundation.
Get for digging. 2 day, one more day.
So
man.
maybe you have to try and see if you can get this completed before the school year start back.
Yeah, that more child.
School starting on Massa.
Get busy again.
But they come on and now still.
Yeah.
If I get up this morning and go with the little youth.
Okay.
A place there. A doctor going can get you medical. Yeah. Oh, it's a spring.
Oh, free medical then what they got do?
Yeah.
Oh.
So that's why I did it.
Okay.
She got.
How much you got out of spring?
No.
How much you got
305 figure Alberto.
To Christian I said.
Alright, you may say that.
Alberto, no,
I check something.
Alberto.
May I check something?
300.
300 fine something for Alberton, for a try. How much you pay for a good
200.
2 and 3 for a try Alberton, that's a 5.
Yeah.
Much Alberton good
I wrote a 2.
Yeah, about 2.
7 and 7, $1,400. Much you little boy? Got them a charge payment?
Maybe a 150 or a 200. Half that.
Call the same pay, $400 for fear. That's a 1,400 plus
1,800.
I would prefer to go to Christian and go pay for doing medical.
Probably would have work out.
Better.
But
Before you go to private doctor, maybe they charge $2,000.
Yeah.
I want 2,500. And you come back same time. You go down, let's say you have to go join one long line. Free.
It was free again. You know,
Everybody did it, yes. So when you check the fare when you pay, go to the come back, that could have go pay doctor.
may I talk to the lady?
Eat lunch.
May I talk to the lady this morning when he come in like...
That's true, sometimes everything costs more.
I talked to him this morning and I make him know, so I talk to Miss Nadine, so Miss Nadine said if you call Tash and ask Tash if them work on the medical a try and then little weird. But she, you know, right now she not even have as much fear.
Oh, she just want to go here, so.
When Zelly at check you know, 1,500 or 1,600 that then gone with it.
So then short.
Well, so she not have much fear.
Short.
Me not have much neither. Me have no fear. Me don't have no fear.
I don't feel anything.
Really?
That's how they cooperate, you know.
Baby, alright, man.
I nothing
They have
feet.
to come back home.
I nothing feet.
Oh, boy.
I'm not going to say no for me. I go to some of them.
We are going to go to the graveside. Let's see what's going on out there.
Yeah.
We're going to see if we can get some work. You know? Look at job. That little girl that favor a white man. White man, are your daughter?
No, one.
Whose daughter that?
It's Tanya, Sonny baby mother.
Oh, okay.
Pull me a pull on white man.
Yeah.
Neda youth pani bonji.
Alright, Alright, Ryan. So next time we come back, foundation supposed to done.
Yeah, man, it's
Next time we come back,
supposed
black start run.
Cause you have steel. You have steel.
So we're going to give you more time now.
You have steel. How done with the sun of steel?
yeah, a couple
Yeah.
steel. Couple steel.
We think you did done build a house, you know.
Hey.
So we are talking to Winston now. Winston, we are talking to Winston. See Ryan there.
Yeah.
Ryan there. You know yourself, Winston.
Yeah.
See where Ryan reached there. Cause it's always a arc.
Every time.
Ryan go on with the house. See there?
Yeah, man.
I know what you start dig the foundation. So you say, when you come back up here, just roof a go left to put on.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
I want to say thanks to Marie too. Holy for respect Marie. Holy for big up. I know how much we thank you so much. But thank you for everything you do for me. Even though a long time I hear from you still, but thank you so much. And I watch a video, that's why you know say.
A long time I hear from her,
Yeah.
so you want her to hear you know.
Yeah. I appreciate it, you know. Thank you so much.
Call Marie and tell her thanks.
Yeah, man, I call her and tell her that.
Thanks, yeah, so. Because she said no.
Yeah. And she sent you today.
Yeah,
Remember YB if you big her up and tell her thanks for the barrel?
Yeah.
And then we have anonymous donors who donated barrels so we could give you guys grocery today. YB, we are call her YB.
Thank you so much.
She call her name. She know herself.
Yeah. Thank you so very much. Yeah.
Yes, Marcel.
My appreciation, you know.
Yeah, man.
I wish your food basket will never be empty from your children to your children. May a long life and more prosperity right by your name. Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, well said, Ryan.
Alright, guys. So, that is John Noah.
Alright, guys, so until next time, just big up everyone. Thanks to all our supporters, all our donors. May God continue to richly bless you. And until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Thank you so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Yeah.
Video I'm in a
You can't tell when you're tired. Yeah.